Alright, Charlie the Handyman back again. We're going from boob light to bling bling. Yeah, it's a ceiling fan in the hallway. What you got to say about that? Let's go.
This is the Addlon fan. We're going to show you what comes in the box. You got the remote, the fan blade. They say bladeless, but that's not true. You get the hub, the top piece. You get the nut for the fan. All 4 pieces of the light. Let's put it together. We get together. These just click in like Legos. Sort of, like a tough Lego, but you know, you'll get it. You're gonna put the 4 screws in, connect everything, tighten it. Oh yeah, just a Phillips screwdriver. Take the hub, run the wires to the center. Click, click, click. Oh, snap in these little wires. Rip the tape, stick it. Let's put the blade on. You'll see it, there's little tabs. Line it up, reverse threads on the nuts. Safety warning, hit the breaker. Now let's take the boob down. We all got them. We love boobs, but not for lights.
Alright, well, that wasn't on very well.
After a near disaster, we're gonna unhook this electric. It's off, so no worries. No zappy zappy today. Bailey zappy? No, no zappy.
Boob! Boob!
I still might, almost at 40 years old, be putting boobless in my calculator. Here we go. Take your 2 screws, put this mounting bracket up there. I got this old house. It's gonna be easier for you, believe me. This should take you about 10 minutes. And I don't think the kids are gonna understand that we used to have to hold the item, the light, chandelier, whatever. Now everything's got a wire on it, it just hangs there for you. Not fair. It's like I walk into school uphill both ways. They won't understand. This thing's simple. Look at, click. You just twist it on there, ready to go. And here's my review. I'll shut up now. You've heard the fan. I'm back. Check out the light. You know, you can go up and down. This is all standard stuff. But right now, this fan is on sale. $89, $99, $40 off. I mean, what a steal. 50 bucks? Can you get a ceiling fan for 50 bucks? And you can put it anywhere. This is in my entry hallway. You ask why? Because I thought it'd be cool. It's like a chandelier, but not. People ask about it. Peacock entrance. Link is in the description. Check it out. Like I said, it's on sale. It's light. It's quiet. It does it all. It'd be good for a kid's room. Got the little chandelier vibe-ish. Maybe, yeah, little kid. Fancy. Job done!